iMbidyut welcomes you to watch Japanese learning videos. Let's get started without delay. Watashi. I. Anata. You. It's more common to address people by their name than to say anata if you know their name. Hito. Person. Ano hito. That person. Ano kata is politer. Nihon. Japan. It can also be pronounced as Nippon. Jin. Used to indicate nationality. Nihonjin. A Japanese person. Amerikajin. An American person. Chugokujin. A Chinese person. Igirifujin. A British person. Indojin. An Indian person. Indonesiajin. An Indonesian person. A Paijin. A Pai person. Deutschjin. A German person. Brazilujin. The Brazilian person.韓国人. The Korean person. Sensei. Teacher. Kyoshi. It also means teacher. However, do not address your teacher directly as Kyoshi. Address them as sensei instead. Kaisha. Company. Kaishain. Employee or office worker. Shain. It also means employee, but it's often used with the company's name. For example, Google no shain, employee of Google. Jinko. Bank. Jinkoin. Bank employee. Isha. Doctor. Oisha-san is politer. Daidaku. University. Daidakuse. University student. Byoin. Hospital. Site. Years old. Dare. Who. Donapa is politer. None. What. It can also be pronounced as nani. Nansai. How old? Height. Yes. It's more natural. Yeah. No. Is more casual. おはようございます。Good morning. こんにちは。Hello. こんばんは。Good evening. はじめまして。Nice to meet you. It literally means I'm meeting you for the first time. どうぞよろしくお願いします。Pleased to meet you. It literally means please be nice to me. Late or 0. 1 2 3 4 or 4 5 6 7 or 7 8 9 or 9 10 11 12 13 14 or 14 15 16 17 or 17 18 19 or 19 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. Thank you for watching Japanese language learning videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.